So when I had the 305 in the truck, I had some block hugger headers, and I had to grind a little bit on the motor mount for the clearance for those, but I went to these Ram Horns 2.5-inch manifolds because the headers were always melting my spark plug wires. So anyway, for those of you wondering, these will fit on a four-wheel drive square body. There seemed to be lots of debate on the forums if it would actually fit or not, but these fit no problem. These are reproductions from Speedway Motors. And here's the other side, also no trouble at all clearing. Now when you build your exhaust from these, you do have to make a fairly quick 90-degree bend to clear the front axle. And that's no problem. I just bought some manual bent 90s, and it all fits really nice. And now my spark plug wires aren't completely melted.